Welcome back to TechRooms. Today we're going to show you how to reset your Apple Watch using an iPhone. So this Apple Watch is mine. Now I have this Ultra and I want to reset it to give it to somebody else. So we can do it either without the phone. In this case, we press the digital crown, go to settings. Let's cancel that and go back because I just did that again before. And we go to general. When we go to general, we scroll all the way down to reset. And here we go ahead and reset on the top and we would do it there. But we're going to do it somewhere different. Let's go to the iPhone. This is iPhone 15, mine. So we go to watch, the app for the watch. Here you have my watch, which is there. And you have face watch. And go back to all watches. That's why I was confused. All watches. And here you can choose. You have the Apple Watch Titanium 49mm or the Apple Watch from me, Aluminum 44, which is this one that's here. So let's go to this one. Let's go here and press auto switch. No, we want to switch on our own. That's why it wasn't letting me. It has the auto switch, I guess, depending on the one. This is for people that maybe have multiple Apple Watches. And we now can go to done. And we're on this watch, we can actually go to general and general again. And we can go to reset. And we can erase Apple Watch content and settings. That's what we want. Reset home screen or reset sync data. Let's go ahead and erase that. Before we do that, let me check that we're on the right watch. All watches, we are on the right watch. So let's go done. Again, general, we would go all the way to the bottom, reset Apple Watch content and settings. So let's go ahead and do it again. Erase it. It's going to ask for my password. I put my password in. Now it's going and it's going to unpair the watch and erase it. Your iPhone is currently unpairing Apple Watch. This might take a while. So now we let it do its thing. You can see the Apple Watch is also thinking. They're both thinking hard. So there we have it. Now it's only showing my Apple Watch Ultra 2 and it lets me add a watch and this one's just rebooting. Let's give it a second so you can see what it does. But that's the way you would erase it with an iPhone device. So you can do it through the watch or you can do it with an iPhone per se. So let's see. There we go. Now it says bring iPhone near Apple Watch. And if I brought this close to my watch and it was my phone, let me unlock that, it theoretically will try. So we're not trying to pair it to this phone. So let's go ahead and just press the crown in the middle and we can ignore it. And we say, nope, not for this phone. And that's how you reset the Apple Watch with an iPhone. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Bye.